bakery. Today is test kitchen day. That means I'm just trying stuff out to see what happens, and we're gonna cover and talk about a whole lot of other stuff in this video as well. First up in the test kitchen, I am working with all chocolate cake today. I am recipe testing right now because I am looking for some new recipes. As you can see, they look delicious. I didn't leave them in the oven long enough, so you can see that they kind of sunk in the middle. For sure, next time I'll know better. I'll be tasting these shortly, allow my family to taste them. Moving on to the next thing, because I am making, test cakes and cupcakes and fun stuff like that, I needed buttercream, and I didn't feel like making actual buttercream. But in reality, because of how long it took me to get this, I really could have just went ahead and made it my own buttercream for this, but it makes for a fun video to test out a new product. So this is by Wilton, not sponsored. Creamy decorator icing. Let's see what's inside. It smells like they're fondant, maybe. I don't know how I feel about that. It's fairly thick. Add water to it to make it thinner, or you can add powdered sugar to it to make it thicker, which is great, so you can customize it to your own consistency. It's pretty smooth and easy to move around. This is their white creamy decorator icing. It comes in 3 consistencies, soft, medium, and stiff. I have the medium. It yields 8 cups of icing. This is 4 pounds. I'm gonna have to look up to see how much this costs, and then I'll put it on the screen, but I got this from Walmart. I just wanted something that's already made up, and this is already made up, and it's great. Let's see what this tastes like. I can see people liking this. It has potential. Not bad. Let's dig in and let's whip it up so we can ice some cupcakes and some things. Do some things. All right. So right out the tub, it's very light and airy, but it has all those bubbles. So I am gonna try to stir this down a bit to get all of those air bubbles out. Just see what I can do. So I'm going to be piping with this 1G piping tip by Kawani. Wow. Look at that. This is a great option, y'all. This is legit. But look at that. That is amazing. That's amazing. Not bad. You might be seeing this more at the Station Bakery. You might be seeing this some more at the Station Bakery. Just saying. Who's gonna come wash my dishes tonight, though? My favorite, y'all already know what it is. So delicious, y'all. I cannot wait for us to bite into those. These are for the adults, these are for the littles. Let me put some sprinkles on this so they'll feel better about it. You want sprinkles? Okay, so these are their sprinkles that I bought specifically for them. But a peanut butter sandwich, it has to have sprinkles and chocolate chips. But I'm gonna try these cupcakes too, because I need to know so y'all can know. What's been really popular lately are these little bakes. So they're actually a version of tray cakes, but they're getting really popular. And not only are they doing cakes in them, but they're now putting cookies as well and doing tray cookie cakes. Mini cookie cakes are what they're calling them. I put my batter directly into these tins and I bake them in the oven. And also another good reference for you is to go check out Generate Cakes. They actually like made this like their theme, so you could get like some really cool inspiration there. And I'm just gonna slice off this top layer. Look at how delicious that looks. Ooh, I know we're excited to try that, right? You can also not put as much batter as I put in here. You want to leave space at the top for your icing. I did not, because again, this was a test recipe, so I didn't really know how it was gonna bake up, but look at this. Would you eat this? I'm gonna eat it. This is basically the base, and then you can decorate it however you choose. So for this time around, I am using a tip number 8. I don't know what brand it is. I just know that it's tip 8, but it is a form of a star tip. You can get these in a lot of shapes. There are hearts, and then we have these circular ones, and they come in a lot of different colors as well. And you just place it over. Ta-da! Put your logo sticker on there, jazz it up, and they are cute and ready to go. Do you guys love this or what? I love these, but I know I'm gonna love them even more when we get to eat them. Delicious. We're gonna have to save the cake and everything for another day because your girl is tired. We're gonna dig into these. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts, and then we're gonna peace out.
I only want one.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So, first off, this cupcake. Oh, now that is the cupcake that I've always been looking for all of my life. This is the cupcake. It's good. Good, good. Now let's dig into these. So I hope you all enjoyed that video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button, you guys. That helps me so much with growing my channel and creating this content for you. And then make sure that you tune in and watch this video here next. And until next time, guys, peace.